Friends, we are today at the Pradhan Mantri Sangrahalaya. The earlier was Teen Murti, so this is the auditorium. As you see behind us, when Krishna ji started, they have a trust. So this award goes to the women every year, and it started from Alibhai Kulkar. So we have Raghavi. She is a transgender lawyer, and she will talk about herself. So you've got the award today.
Yeah.
So how you feel?
I'm not carrying it with me.
No, that's okay. You can take
It's
a
a
picture.
heavy award.
Yes. So how do you feel in today's, we are in 2025. We've just had a lot of political scene turmoil in
Yeah.
India, I would say.
Yeah.
And then we have in Donald Trump, and then people are criticizing him. But the people who were on the other side, people like Barack Obama and Biden, they said now we've shifted to Donald Trump. So I want to ask you as a lawyer, how do you feel? Why didn't Kamala Harris win? First, let's go to US and then we'll come to India.
I think one reason that I would like to talk about of all the other reasons is that they did not have a clear stand as to how they are placed as a Democratic Party candidate, and we saw a lot of traits of representative of Republican Party. So there was no clear stance on their understanding of Israel-Palestine issue or a lot of other human rights issues, and they were dilly-dallying a lot. So I think that is one reason that kind of also pissed off their core Democratic voter base. So I think I would say that is one reason, and another reason being that how they did not strategize it also well. You saw Biden doing a terrible job during the debates.
I think he's turned old.
Yeah.
He's pretty old now.
And then you could get a sense that people are having their own doubts about putting their faith and putting their money into someone who is unable to even make a coherent sentence. And then you had Kamala coming into the picture really late, and by that time I think Trump had already made substantial
Yes,
strides.
yes.
I think, yeah.
True. So Abhi, we'll talk about your award today. You want to say something? Hindi भी चलेगा.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Because ज़्यादातर लोग people say why didn't you talk in Hindi? So whatever is comfortable to you.
So आज के अवार्ड से सम्मान से मैं बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रही हूँ, और मुझे लग रहा है कि एक छोटा सा जो थोड़ा बहुत काम मैंने किया है उसका एक बहुत बड़ा रिकग्निशन है ये, और मुझे लगता है कि शायद मेरे जैसे वन रीज़न दैट आई थिंक दैट दिस अवार्ड इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ कि मेरे तरह बहुत सारी और जो महिलाएं हैं, ट्रांस महिलाएं, ट्रांस पुरुष जो हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा एक होप मिलेगा। मुझे इंस्पिरेशन का नहीं पता, मगर मुझे लगता है कि होप एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है। मैंने भी अपने से पहले बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा और मुझे लगा कि हाँ, मैं गलत नहीं हूँ या मुझे भी अधिकार है एग्जिस्ट करने का, मुझे भी
you're
अधिकार
an
है।
inspiration because मैंने काफी transgender like लोगों का interview किया है, and I felt like first time when we are doing an interview, I was invited to LP, what is that, Cure, and I felt कि मैं कैसे करूँगा? Then I said कि I'm a पत्रकार journalist, so I need to be talking about their issues and bringing them to the forefront. So आपका जो we come to your work, so आपने what areas you're working, because India में I feel we are more of a society open है. West में, America में, my reason of Kamala Harris is not winning is America, if you go to the history, the other women didn't have franchise ही नहीं था ना.
Yeah.
Indian women, Monica Arora ji, Supreme Court firebrand lawyer,
Yeah.
मैंने उनका एक बार सुना था speech, and she said that the Indians women are born with all rights, जबकि वो they are महिला सशक्तिकरण wrong word है. तो आपके areas में कहाँ पे आपने करा है focus?
So
What are the challenges you're facing?
So challenges are immense, and I think हर महिला के अलग अलग तरह के challenges होते हैं, अलग अलग तरह की परेशानियाँ, obstacles जो वो फेस करते हैं। और आप देखिए ना, एक जो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू है जो हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि इंडिया की जो डाइवर्सिटी है वो एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है फॉर providing us with a very heterogeneous mix of ideas and even problems also. So, for example, women in Kerala will have very different experience in terms of college, schooling, education, healthcare as compared to a woman in maybe Kashmir और उत्तर प्रदेश और मध्य प्रदेश और दिल्ली. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि हमारा कोई एक पैरामीटर नहीं हो सकता है टू डिसाइड कि कहाँ पे महिला कितनी सशक्त कैसी सशक्त है, बिकॉज बहुत डाइवर्सिटी है ऑफ आइडियाज़ एंड ऑफ ऑर्थोडॉक्सी ऑल्सो. तो एक तो वो इशू है, और दूसरा चीज़ जो है ट्रांस वुमेन जो हैं उनके इश्यूज बहुत डिफरेंट होते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी जो लड़ाई होती है वो आइडेंटिटी की लड़ाई भी होती है, अपने ट्रू सेल्फ को जीने की भी लड़ाई होती है, और अपने आप को पाने और खड़ा करने और एक तरह से मुझे लगता है कि ज़िंदा रहने की भी एक लड़ाई चल रही होती है. तो वो सारे जो इश्यूज़ हैं आप देखोगे कि कई इश्यूज जो ट्रांस महिलाओं के लिए ही बहुत स्पेसिफिक है, वो ये है कि वो स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं घर ढूंढने को लेके, वो स्ट्रगल कर रही हैं प्रॉपर हेल्थ केयर अटेन करने को लेके, उसके बीच में उनको रोटी भी कमानी है, उसके बीच में उनको अपनी बाकी चीज़ें भी देखनी है, उसके बीच में उनको घर वालों से भी लड़ना है, समाज से भी लड़ना है. तो एक बहुत बड़ा वो बैगेज और बंडल लेके चल रही होती हैं मुसीबतों का.
मैंने एक आई जस्ट बीच में बोल रहा हूँ यूएस योर सेंटर जो कि नॉर्थ प्लेस में केजरीवाल में है.
हाँ जी.
So they had screened a movie, right? I'm just forgetting the name. It was about transgender, and उसमें वो दिखाया है, उसमें उन्होंने बोला है कि मेरे फैमिली में initially when I wanted to, so somebody wants to be a different gender, right? So accept means उसका वो परिवार वालों से थोड़ा सा होता है ना, जाली शिट, परिवार वाले तो एक्सेप्ट कर ले रहे हैं, वो सामाजिक होता है, राइट? बट फिर ग्रेजुअली आई थिंक वो एक्सेप्ट हो जा रहे हैं सोसाइटी में भी.
मगर मैं आपको
This was
बताऊं,
about 5-6 years back.
कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि समाज आपको एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है, समाज का एक बड़ा तबका एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है, मगर फैमिली नहीं एक्सेप्ट करती है, और वो फिर आप एक्सेप्टेंस बाकी जगहों पे ढूंढते हो, आप चोजन फैमिली के पास जाते हो जो कि आपकी बायोलीगल फैमिली से अलग होती है, आप किसी को माँ बनाते हो, किसी को पिता, किसी को भाई, और इस तरह से एक आप अपनी खुद की फैमिली को बीट करते हो, विच इज़ द आइडिया ऑफ चोजन फैमिली, जो आई थिंक जस्टिस चंद्रचूड़ ने भी अपने एक जजमेंट में उसकी बात की है. तो
Okay, so now I think since you're a lawyer, right? So when you are practicing and उसमें आपके कोई issues when you know when you engage with a client.
yeah.
So how is it? कैसा means how is the client feeling about you and how do you feel? And when you're standing, usually.
Yeah, I think my identity has never been a point of discussion with my clients or with the people I work with or the office I work in or with my boss, my colleagues. It has never been a point of consideration, discussion, question. And as far as I'm able to provide my client the relief they want or advise them correctly or kind of allay their fears or whatever there is, I think I'm good to go.
Very good. And lastly, मैं although पहले हमें शुरू करना था पहले because ये award ceremony है, so we started the other way. Normally I start with the women or men or anybody transgender उनकी जीवन के बारे में, you know, if you talk
You should
about
always say transgender person.
transgender person. हाँ, अभी मेरा थोड़ा सा I need to
Yeah.
get trained for that. So I want to talk about your life.
Yeah.
Means you want to
My life
sit,
has
put it in
been-
say 5 minutes.
My life has been a very tumultuous one, I would say, because I was a troubled kid
Yes.
because of my constant this battle
Right.
with my inner feelings and how my body is and not feeling my true self. So it kind of further aggravated with teenage coming and everything. And since I was a visibly queer kid, or I seemed queer to people, there was a lot of bullying and discrimination that happened. And even though I was doing great with my studies, with co-curriculars, everything, there was a certain section of like my peer group and people who always found their way to bully me or abuse me. There was a lot of that.
So where
that
did you
happened.
study initially? Where if you
So
can
I
talk
did
about
my
that.
schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, IIT Kanpur.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is where I did my.
Because मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि we should understand as humans, you know, इंसान की तरफ हम लोग behave करें. And the idea of talking to you is like other transgender people who might watch this, so they also know. Suppose उनके यहाँ पे कोई, you know, they have some shortcomings. With this interview, they can.
I don't think they
overcome
have any shortcomings. I think.
that. Whatever.
Yeah, I think the society has its
Schooling was in
shortcomings.
Kanpur. Schooling was in Kanpur. Then you moved
So
on.
nice. So
Yes.
schooling was from Kanpur, and then I did my law from Delhi University. And in between, I have been doing a lot of activism and other work. I've been writing on these issues. But yeah, so I mean, for me, earlier I was studying for UPSC, and it did not really stay. No, it did not really stay that appealing for that long. And while I was preparing for UPSC, I would also read a lot on law because you have to. It's a part of the syllabus. So I ended up feeling really intrigued by law, and that is when I started reading more about lawyers, especially women lawyers that are there out there, and drawing inspiration from them. I decided that I need to do law, and that is when I ended up at Delhi University. Finished my law from there in 2023. It's been I think 1.5
You
years
worked
now.
with some firm, law firm initially?
Yeah, I have been working with this. I started with this firm, which primarily does a lot of media and entertainment
So what
law
firm,
work.
if you can
It's
name?
called TMT Law Practice.
TMT Law Practice. And now you have your own firm?
No, I don't have my own
don't
firm.
have it
I think I'm still too young to have my own firm.
No, anybody, you know.
So, but yeah, I've been working as a person involved in commercial IP litigation. Yeah.
Excellent. And we have your friend, so you can also introduce him. He's our cameraman.
Omkar is a dear friend of mine.
So
and,
Omkar ji, please come here. I'll take the camera. Please join
Omkar
there. Come.
is working with a queer feminist research organization.
Hi, welcome. So,
And,
आपका, you're today with her, Raghavi, and then she's got the award. आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमारी दोस्त को अवार्ड मिला है।
हाँ।
और जो चोज़न फैमिली या दोस्तों की भी बात कर रही थी, तो जो नेटल फैमिली है उसके बाद जो हमारी चोज़न फैमिली बनती है उसमें से अगर कोई आगे जा रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, या फिर जो होप की राघवी ने बात की, तो ये सब देख के काफ़ी अच्छा महसूस होता है।
So you're also lawyer by profession?
नो आई एम स्टडीइंग लॉ।
You're studying law, okay. So ठीक है, मैं भी admission लूँगा आप लोग के guidance में. Then we'll all join when she opens a firm. Yeah. So wish you all the best, both of you, and I think we'll carry on the conversation maybe after a month.
Yeah, sure.
In the courts. Thank you.